Lockheed Martin recently announced that they've collaborated with Red Hat to accelerate the development of swarm autonomy technologies, enabling software updates of unmanned platforms at scale in tactical environments. Lockheed Martin claims that by combining Red Hat devices' edge's capability with their autonomous swarm operations, they're making drone swarms smarter and more capable of multi-step tasking and mission retasking in complex environments. Katie Gilmore, Lockheed Martin program manager, was quoted as stating, "This work helps enable uncrewed aerial vehicles to receive updated software modules on the fly, transforming the way we manage and update edge devices like UAVs."